Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my room tour for Halloween 2025. And yeah, let's just get started. So first in my door, we have this little pumpkin witch man thing. And then over here I have some little fun ghost lights. Looks like that. Super cool. And then coming over here, we have the Mayor, Nightmare Before Christmas, some orange lights, my little pumpkin duck, and then some more fall things, Halloween things. We have a skull right there, bird dressed up, and then some window decals, and then a pumpkin squishy. This is what my couch looks like. It has all the spooky friends. We have a pumpkin, Mr. Jack, Mr. Sally, Oogie Boogie, a candy corn, and then new addition this year, Ghost. Well, actually this and that are new for the year. And then my bed, we have some blankets. We have the Sanderson sisters, Zero, and then my little pillow. Nothing special in this area. And then over here we have my wonderful dresser. I'm just gonna give you guys a brief overview. I'm not gonna go through everything just because it is a lot. We just have some lights, some cute figures, candles, fragrances, fun stuff. A little bat dish. Up here we have some ghosts, Happy Halloween sign. Jack's back there. That. We have a pumpkin art that I put up every year. This is new for the year. Got that. My boo sign. These are my bags. This one I'm currently using, and this is just like for decor. Some fun garland. And yeah, that is my room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.